and welcome to my video. It is the beginning of February and I have so much to catch up with you. I'm gonna do a card here in a minute. I have some product setting out here and I want to make a card. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna make this work, but this is what I have setting out. So I'm gonna do my best to figure out how to make this work and see if I can make a card with just this product. So let me catch you up on what's happening. I know it has been about a week since I posted and I have 3 videos for you today that will hopefully go up. It has been a bit of a crazy week for us. Violet is struggling a little bit. She is our daughter that is autistic. So if you have been following me for a while, you know Violet is autistic. She started middle school and she's been having some struggles this week and it's just been a lot to deal with. So I've just been on mommy duty a lot this week. So I am catching up today on Friday. I have my Hello February PDF for you, so you can print this out. There's a link in the description below and over on my website. It has the month's host code, so if you're looking for my host code for the month, it is there. It has all the things that are happening, well, not all the things, but a good majority of the things that are happening this month. It has my ordering special on it. Mine printed front to back, but you don't have to print it that way. It has 2 card sketches on it. We're gonna do these throughout the month, and then it has some color combos on the bottom. Next, it has some memory keeping sketches for you. These are not designed by me. I'm hoping to get to a place where I will be able to design my own memory keeping sketches. Until then, I just grabbed them from Pinterest. I have several pinned over there on my Pinterest account if you want to check those out. And then the very last page is our Blessed to Craft projects for the month. You will see that video today. It is going up. My favorite products for the month. I am using a ton of this paper here. This is on the clearance rack, which makes it even better. It is this black and white paper. It's what we're using for Blessed to Craft. And then also, if you're a part of the new Blessed to Scrap monthly, I will be designing my projects using this paper and the Sweet Citrus, which is what I also did my Blessed to Craft projects with. So I've been using this a ton, and the great thing is it's on the clearance rack, so nothing better than that, right? And then I announced in my so wrapping up my December daily album that starting next Thursday I will be doing Project Life Thursdays, where I'm going to take you into my family album. I'm going to show you my system for that. I'm going to be doing pages and just showing you how I create that every year. So that is my Hello February PDF. You can print that out for all of that information. And then this is the last month for celebrations. So if you are purchasing product from Stampin' Up, there is a celebration catalog and all of the items in here are free when you place an order. So if you place a $50 order, you can choose this designer paper if you would like. There's several different options. There's this beautiful paper, and then there's some stamp sets here. I used this stamp set last month for my online card class. So you can choose any of these. Stampin' Up on February 1st added a few more items to the celebration lineup. There's a couple punches, an embossing folder, some of the new paper. This is the Enjoy the Journey paper, and that is here in the catalog. It's this paper right here, so you can get that for free. And then my favorite, which I've already placed an order and received, is the white frayed ribbon, and you get 2 rolls of it. So that's amazing. And so that I just wanted to mention that Stampin' Up added new product to celebrations. So today there's all the catch-up news for you. Make sure you check out my video for Blessed to Craft this month. That will be another video that goes up today, and I will be sharing these cards. I'll be making one and talking about this Sweet Citrus bundle, which is one of my favorite bundles from this catalog. So I wanted to make a card using these 2 items. These are from the Memory and More cards. This is Enjoy the Adventure, I believe is what it's called. I already have several packs of these because I just love them. I used this on another layout this month. I love the colors and just I really love the black and white cards. The stickers are really fun. So I pulled out 2 cards here. These are 4x6, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of trimming down. This one says thinking of you, and then there's this beautiful floral background on the back. Oh, it's the same card. So it is the floral is on the back, and then the thinking of you is on the other side. So I want to see what I can do with these 2 cards. I pulled out a card base I actually already had made in this pink, and it goes well with that. I don't know if I'll use that strip or not, but there's a little bit of that color in the flower. And then I pulled out this piece, which is a mint macaroon, and this is an A2 size card, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It folds up. That's my favorite way to make a card. And then the mint macaroon is 4 inches by 5 1/4. I believe I'm gonna go ahead and layer that on the front here. And then I pulled out this. Now this is soft succulent ribbon. So it's not mint macaroon, it's in the color soft succulent, but it goes really well with the mint macaroon. So I thought I might use that. So let's go ahead and get started with the card. And I think I will trim this piece down, and we'll trim that to 3 3/4. And I think I'm gonna do it by 4. 3 1/2. And maybe I want to do it this way. And then I have the thinking of you, which I'm going to trim down. To 2 inches. And then it's 4. So let's take a 1/4 inch off each side. So that will be 3 1/2 as well. And then I am going to go ahead and trim this and just see if I want to use it. And then some ribbon. If I do it this way, oh, that might be better. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some foam to the back of this. I want to pop this part up. I get asked all of the time where I get these rolls of foam. I don't use the Avery foam because it's so expensive. The Avery foam is like $10 a roll. I love the Avery, or is it Avery? It might not be. The 3M, that's what I'm thinking. The 3M foam. I love that, but it's like $10 a roll, and this is like $3 a roll. It's just as good. I have a link to my Amazon store in the description below, and in that Amazon store, I have everything organized, and there is a space that says adhesive, and all of the adhesive that I get off of Amazon is on there, and that includes this foam. So I could wrap this ribbon around this part so that it wasn't inside of the card. But what I want to do is I want the ribbon to go inside the card so that I could put a gift card in there and there'll be a little spot for it. So we're gonna add that piece. And then for this piece, I'm gonna add it to the top. And then my thinking of you is gonna go on the bottom. But I wanna add some ribbon. And if I add this ribbon, this is pretty wide. So I'm not gonna be able to put a bow like I want. So I'm thinking I'm gonna trim a little bit more off. So I want this greeting to stay centered. So I'm gonna do, I think I can do another 1/4 inch off each side and it'll stay centered. Maybe almost not. So it's gonna be a little bit less. That's okay. I just don't want to cut any of this off. So that's gonna let me have be able to put a bow on this. So I'm gonna make sure it's flat inside, like my ribbon is flat and not twisted on the inside. And then I will cut that. I would normally I don't wear my ribbon scissors. I would usually use my ribbon scissors. So it's not really gonna matter where you tie the bow because of the way we did this. We're gonna be able to move the ribbon around. So just tie your bow. I like to pull fairly tight at first, and then that way when I make my loop, it's going to release a little bit, but it'll still be tight on the card. So here's my bow on the card, and then I can move it where I want it. And then the gift card will sit right in under the ribbon. So now I can add my thinking of you, and I do want that a little bit more centered, so my bow is really going to be off to the side. Now when I put the adhesive down for thinking of you, that is also going to help the ribbon stay where I want it to stay, and it won't slide. So, and I am gonna go ahead and pop it up with foam. This card's gonna be pretty thick. All right, we'll bring our card back over just like so. It's really a very simple card. You could add some sequins to it if you wanted, but I really like the way that that looks. And then what I'm gonna do is trim this down to 4 and to 4. Okay, that's perfect. And then maybe 1.5 inches. And then I'm gonna put that right on the bottom. Oh, I could do that. Let's do both. So let's add this to the bottom. That's so pretty. And then let's add this. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that off. And that is the card for today. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, checking out my Hello Monthly. If you have any questions, let me know. And I will be back next week with more projects, but you will also see my Blessed to Craft for this month, which features the Sweet Citrus bundle. You'll see that video today as well. So thank you guys so much, and I will catch you later.